Welcome back to RVnGO.com. Today, we're actually going to be walking through the steps it takes to expand your outreach by listing your RV on Facebook. From your profile, click on the Marketplace tab at the top of your screen. From here, you'll see Create New Listing on the left side of the page. Click on that to continue. For listing type, select Vehicle for Sale. Now you need to fill in some important information. Let's do a rundown. Your vehicle type is an RV/camper. Upload at least 1 or 2 photos of your vehicle. You can have up to 20, so feel free to get interior and exterior photos of your inventory. Make sure your location is accurate. Specify the year of your RV. The make and model sections create the title for your post, so it's crucial you specify to an interested viewer that it is not for sale, but instead for rent. An example title would be 2020 Thor Synergy for rent by owner. Check website link in description. Now a viewer knows to follow your RVnGO.com URL link that you'll have in the description below. List your nightly rate. Add a strong description of your RV. The description is key to your listing. While you may be using Facebook for larger outreach, your post is merely an entryway for a guest to visit your RV page on RVnGO.com. So make sure in the description section you specify Find My Listing Here and place the URL link to your RVnGO.com listing page. Once all of that is filled out, click the Next button. Here you'll be able to post your RV listing publicly on Facebook. You even have the option to list it in any groups you think would be interested in the listing. When you're finished, click Publish at the bottom. Just remember to be ready for people to start sending you responses through Facebook Messenger regarding your marketplace listing. They will most likely use the quick response option and click Is this still available? They rarely will click on the link in the description, nor copy and paste it themselves, so you need to respond to them by clicking on the marketplace listing at the top of the Messenger chat box and copy and paste the link for them so they can view your listing on RVnGO.com. And that's it! You've successfully listed your RV on Facebook. Keep an eye out for more videos regarding RV listings, and if you have any further questions regarding the RVnGO website, feel free to reach out through our email, support@RVnGO.com, or call us at 1-888-399-9505. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the road.